So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check the latest meme coin news here on crypto.com. So once you open up the app, I want you to go to the home page right here. I want you to go to where it says favorites and then press on see all. Now once you're here at the top, it'll say coins, insights, categories. Go ahead and press on categories. Once you're here where it says memes right here, I want you to go ahead and press on that. Now once you're on the meme coin page, I want you to scroll down to where it says news and go ahead and press on see all. And now once you're here, you can go ahead and check the latest news regarding different meme coins. And then you can go ahead and read this as well as trade it if you want. So for example, this first article, Dogecoin. Second one, Bonk. Next one, Shiba Inu. Dogecoin. Whatever the case may be, you can go ahead, select on an article. So I'll just go ahead this one right here. Go ahead and press on read more. And then you can read more of the news. It'll actually bring you to another page where you can go ahead and read the latest meme coin news. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to check the latest news regarding meme coins on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.